Hey everyone. So I was talking to my friend Randy Perkins, who pointed me to an eBay auction with these Supra-C safe locks, or key locks, I guess, not safe locks. Anyway, he thought I'd like them because they're slider-based lock and kind of strange. If you look inside, it doesn't look too challenging in there. There's not too many sliders, so you can kind of see. Well, you can make out at least 4, but given the depth of the key, there could be one more row. You would imagine just from the front, and indeed there is. Now you can't get this lock apart without destroying it, but luckily the auction was for 8, and like any red-blooded American guy, I decided to take it apart, take one of them apart. Some must die that others may live. And here you can see the core with 3 of the 6 sliders removed and 3 of the 6 remaining. And you can see when you put the key in, it kind of brings all the sliders in towards the front. Let's see, some of them, there we go, that's the way the key goes in. And when you pull it out, they rise back up again. And so if you look down the keyway and you squish on this, pushing them in, you see all the sliders kind of line up in the middle. So ostensibly this should be a pretty easy lock to pick. We just have to take 6 sliders and move them in towards the middle. Now these are I went ahead and took some of the sliders out to give a little bit of a detail on them. They are nothing too special. There's no false gates or anything. So anyway, that's what's inside of it. So I'm going to see if I can get this thing in a vise in such a way that I can pick it and have it look good. I was experimenting with a couple of angles here, and I kept blocking the keyway. So I'm gonna cut the film here and put it in a vise and see what I can do. Okay, well, it's not in a vise, but I think I've got an angle that will work. So let's see what we can do here with the Supra-C key safe. Okay, there we go. That's the Supra-C open, picked open. Again, I can't get this one, but we can take another quick look at the insides of the one that I did gut. I'll try to come down so you can get a little bit of a close-up on the sliders and stuff. Okay. So these are the sliders. These are the little springs, believe it or not, that drive them around. Here's the core. These actually don't come out on their own. In order to get them out, there's a little strip here that you have to pull out. And if I pull this strip out, all these sliders will come falling out. So they kind of get held in there that way. Again, not the most tricky lock to pick, but definitely a fun pick. Anyway, I really enjoyed it actually. And as I said, I have 8 of these. So if you would like this lock, I will send it to you. I will not send the key along though. What I will do is I'm going to try to maybe get some Fimo or something and make an impression of this key, a female mold of it. So possibly you could cast a key with epoxy. I'm going to go ahead and experiment with some of those ideas. But I will send the lock to you. Again, I'm going to hang on to the key since I have several more of these. But it's a fun lock to pick and kind of a cool lock to have in your collection anyway. So all you have to do is go ahead and answer this question. Be the first to do so, and I will PM you and ask you for your address so I can send you the lock. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I appreciate you watching.